Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a new arrival of ours. This is a 2023 Sea Ray 190 SPX outboard. I'm going to make my way back to the transom. We do have a full walk-through transom on this boat, so you have easy access to get from one swim platform to the other. This has the max horsepower motor, 150 horsepower, 4-stroke from Mercury, telescoping reboarding ladder on the port side. You'll notice we have sea deck on the transom, and then as we access the cockpit, battery switch, batteries, and a cooler, portable cooler beneath this hatch. All stainless steel hardware. Really nice sunbed here, here at the transom with also a ton of storage. This is the stone-colored interior. Really popular from Sea Ray. Beneath the transom seat, we have a cooler box that's drained. There's storage beneath the starboard side corner. Very comfortable seating. Nice tall backrest. Stainless steel grab handles on both sides, along with cup holders. The flooring that we have here, this is the Infinity woven vinyl. Snaps in and out of place, so it's easy to remove and keep clean. We've got a ski locker in the floor, which is also where we currently have the boat's canvas stowed. To the port side, we have a convertible bench seat with a backrest, so you can either sit facing forward with some leg support, you can sit a couple facing inward, or you can convert this port side seat by removing this lounger, which actually stows right here, and get this out of the way, to where now you actually have a forward-facing seat. And this just goes right back into place. Here at the helm, very comfortable sport bucket seat from Sea Ray. We've got an angled footrest here. Steering wheel is on a tilt base. 9-inch display from Simrad. We've got our Fusion Bluetooth stereo head unit. Aircraft style toggle switches for our lights and pumps. Throttle controls are right here. 12-volt and USB charging ports, cup holder, nice padded armrest, very comfortable boat to operate at the helm. Over to the port side, we do have a nice vinyl wrapped glove box or cooler box. It currently has the owner's bag, but you can see you can have drinks in there on ice, or you could put valuables in there and keep them locked and safe. There's more storage in the port side corner. Port side console, rather. Upgraded sound system on this boat, including a large subwoofer and large speakers. Making my way to the bow. Very comfortable seating, a lot of bow seating up here on a 19-foot boat. Very deep, tall backrests again. Optional bow filler cushion currently shown here in place. You can see the upholstery is just really high-end from Sea Ray up here. You've got accent panels, inlaid, stainless grab rails. The speakers are embedded into the cushions, so just a really nice touch. The boat looks really sharp, especially in this interior color. And then lastly, you have your anchor locker forward, along with your nav light, easy to access as well. So this is a great boat to take to the sandbar or just drop anchor and hang out for a day on the water. Wanted to show you the boat's exterior as well. This is a full white gel coat hull color. We've got a really sharp black rub rail with a stainless steel insert. Matches the Sea Ray emblem really nicely. Bimini top as well. Trailer shown here is included with this boat. Also includes a swing tongue up front and upgraded tires. We'll come around to the transom. So that's a walkthrough of Sea Ray's 19 SPX. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. If you have any questions or interest about this boat, give us a call at 843-747-1889. Thanks for watching.